Hello everyone and welcome to Great Lakes Boats and Brokerage. My name is Ryan Evans and today I'm going to be showing you a 1993 Carver 300 aft cabin. Boat's currently located in Sandusky, Ohio. Boat currently just went in the water. It's equipped with a pair of twin 5.7 liter Mercruiser inboards. The boat has always been on Lake Erie. It's always a freshwater boat. There are many things on this boat that have been redone, including the isinglass, bimini top, cockpit carpet. Up at the helm, you'll have approximately 415 hours on the boat, full safety equipment, Lowrance GPS and plotter. On your aft deck, you'll have the two captain chairs and a little table. The isinglass does have screens in it, so the boat can be open and still used. Looking down in the cabin, you'll have a brand new couch. It's an original seat. Forward, you'll have TV. We'll go to the new couch again on the port side. Looking back in the aft cabin, you'll have a single bunk on the starboard side and twin bunk on the port side. Electric head, full galley on the port side again with refrigerator and microwave. And finally, looking forward, you'll have your forward V-berth. Thank you for viewing the 1993 Carver 300 aft cabin here with Great Lakes Boats and Brokerage.